How to use Maple for AI-powered household task management. In this 2025 tutorial, I will show you how to organize daily chores with AI. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Install the Maple app on your iOS or Android, and then create your account and set your household preferences. Step 2. Invite your family members by email so that your tasks can be assigned and tracked across everyone's devices. And then, step 3, tap add task and enter things like cleaning, grocery shopping, and then or bills. And then Maple uses AI to suggest the due dates and reminders for your tasks. Step 4, set tasks to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. And then Maple will notify the right person automatically. Step 5, check the AI Assistant tab for personalized suggestions like buy groceries on Wednesday or clean before the guest arrives. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.